Hi guys! Do you follow the tradition to sum up the achievements at the end of the year? We do. We believe that it is very important to make plans, set goals and reach them. This element of planning always helps you stay tuned and makes you move forward. We have a global aim to win love and trust among representatives that are somehow involved in the field of automotive services all over the world. It sounds ambitious, but every day we are steadily and confidently moving towards our goals. For example, this year we visit 5 international exhibitions in different parts of the world, in Germany, Poland, Turkey, Russia, as well as in Ukraine in Kyiv. Our test benches and testers traveled with us from city to city during the year. We solemnly presented our new inventions from time to time. We met a lot of young companies that are just entering the automotive industry market, held many fruitful meetings with customers, carried out a number of important negotiations with partners that will open up new opportunities in the coming year. Our training courses on techniques of car unit repair are visited by both mechanics from service centers and automotive business owners. Only this year, our courses were attended by representatives of Turkey, Poland, Moldova, Israel, Croatia, Greece, Spain, the United Arab Emirates, South Africa, India, Portugal, France and other countries. For us, this year has been very successful, but we want to grow even more dynamically. So the next year we will start with the exhibition in India, and during the year we will visit 5 more exhibitions in Italy, Netherlands, Turkey and others. Follow the further details and new reading our blog. In the meantime, let's enjoy the New Year's Eve mood, festive bustle, Christmas magic and dancing snow. Subscribe to our channels. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, our dear customers and guests.